Well, Lanao,
Yes, sir.
gusto ko nga pumunta doon, but the problem is ganito. At the request of the party who are with me, iba lang yung pangalan, but the problem is, if I go there today, because that was the request last night, baka whether I like it or not, ang maglapit sa akin, people will always congregate where I am. And political leaders would also be there. So, it might be construed by the many na campaigning beyond the allowable days. And rather than risk disqualification, parang hindi naman talaga pwede. I did not. But ang Samar, Del Sur, Lanao remains to be controllable. We are, I communicate with the taas, the army and the police almost every hour. And for them to tell me if there is something big, a big splash in the conduct of the elections.